Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials: updated Mac OS and a current browser, because cookie behavior changes with versions. First, open the browser you use for Kaltura and sign into the Kaltura session. Then, navigate to Preferences or Settings. This is where the cookie controls live. If using Safari, open Safari Preferences. If Chrome, open Settings Privacy and Security. If Firefox, open Preferences Privacy and Security. These steps prepare the exact panels where you'll enable third-party cookies. Now change the cookie controls. In Safari, turn off Prevent Cross-Site Tracking and then click Manage Website Data to remove conflicting blocks for Kaltura domains. Once done, reload the Kaltura page. In Chrome, go to Cookies and Other Site Data and select Allow All Cookies, or add Kaltura-related domains to sites that can always use cookies. In Firefox, choose Custom under Enhanced Tracking Protection and permit cookies from trackers, or add exceptions for Kaltura domains to ensure embedded players work. Finish by reloading your Kaltura session and testing playback or upload. If the player still blocks, clear only Kaltura site cookies and cache, then re-add the domain exception. Make sure any corporate proxies or content blockers are disabled for the Kaltura domain, and then restart the browser to apply changes. If problems persist, switch to another updated browser to determine if it's a browser-specific setting. Quick troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, disable extensions one by one. Ad blockers often prevent third-party cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.